CSS class, Cascading style sheet. So HTML is to structure entire page, right? CSS is to add, just like they say, interior decoration. Okay, CSS will do the decoration. We make all the rough edges to be smooth. In fact, with CSS, you might decide not to use table, right? But there's some places I just feel like, oh, I think I need table. You can still incorporate it inside the table. But with CSS, you might decide not to use table. CSS cannot work alone. CSS will also work with the help of HTML, right? So I'm going to talk about basically type of CSS. We have internal and external CSS. Okay. Internal and external CSS. Professionally, internal CSS, this includes HTML and CSS on the same page. External CSS, HTML separate on one page, CSS separate on another page. Professionally, most of the job will be same. Is HTML on separate page, CSS on separate page. What is the reason? For easy edit. If you want to edit, you know that you are only concentrating on HTML and CSS. But I'm going to teach you both. But professionally, I guess you need to get yourself close to external much more than. Let me show you a very simple example of the site. Look at this site now. I think I've been showing this site too much. Okay, the one I just started this morning. Jacko Oil and Gas. Look at this. It's even a folder. Can you see this? Style.css. So I'll be using most of these names to save so that when you begin to work, even with some templates, you understand what they are talking about. Looking at this now, you might not really understand. It's not long. By the time you understand, you know that it's not long, right? Looking at this, you might not really understand. But let me open the HTML page for this talk, right? You see so many things that you are familiar with because you'll be part of the class. Okay? Are you not familiar with this? Huh? Do you understand? Because this is HTML. No matter how long it is, you are familiar with this. This is what? Huh? This is link. Do you understand? Because it's what you're familiar with. By the time we round up our CSS class, you get familiar with those things that you saw there. Right? So can you see? Do you get it? Because we've gone through stuff like this, right? The only thing different that it might look like is div, which is what you are about to start learning from today. Okay? On CSS. Do you understand? So, can you see P alignment justify? Do you understand? Paragraph. Okay? So, you begin to get to know much more about all this. Can you see copyright, all those stuff? Right? These are the things that you are familiar with. Alright, by the way, so we are going to work with internal style and external style sheet. Okay? Easy. Alright, so how do you start? Inside our web class folder, I think I'll put the web class as well. I'm going to create a fresh tab there. Yes, still inside this place, right? CSS web. Okay? I want to separate it. Right? But one thing again, I'm going to work with internal CSS first. I'm going to take so many properties, value, and all sorts. Then I'll also apply it on external CSS for you to see the difference. Then after which you are going to lay a foundation. Let's not forget, we have a direction, right? So that we just be picking stuff. Yes, we have a direction, right? So introduction to CSS, that's the first thing, right? That is the cascading style sheet. Is to decorate interior decor, smooth, organized, and that. So designing with style sheet, that's what we are about to start now. Okay? Then during design, you'll be seeing so many CSS syntax, but I want to talk basically first on internal. So within this time, we are still within here 1 to 3, right? As time goes on, I'll be using all these like that. Good. I think we are ready, fire up, good to go. Then you have your notepad plus as well. Writing CSS, you can just have something like this. So I'm not writing CSS plus, I'm using internal, which is CSS and HTML within one page. But I'm just saying this that CSS. Okay? So your notepad is A to Z of programming language. Right? Yeah. But what I'm about to work with presently is. Okay? So now, our basic HTML, let's sing item. HTML followed by what? Help me out. Edge followed by what? Title. This is just like brand and base now, okay?
Sorry, actually,
yeah. You said? Title. No, it won't work. Or I will check it. I will just check it to see the reason why it's not working. Yes, you understand? It's supposed to work. Okay? Body. Sometimes when you are looking at your code, because where your mind is, you might not really know whether you made some mistake or not. What is that? Okay, thank you. You guys are there. So I can call this internal CSS. Okay? Save it. Into my web class. I think the way we are going to do this class today, once I finish internal CSS, I will allow you guys to practice. Right? For some times, then again, so that to avoid some carryover at home. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. Once I'm done with internal now, practice. So I'm going to save it internal. Right? Since I've already chosen HTML as, so I might not need to put dots. Okay? Yeah. So here we go. In between L tag open and close, this is L tag open, this is L tag close. So you begin to see the pattern of L tag from here. That's where you keep all the scripting language, right? So CSS is one of them, right? So I'm about to do that. So to declare a CSS tag open internally is different from external. But we see the way we change it. So what you need to do is style. Okay, type because you text/CSS. Why? You have some normal English words, those are the text. They also have some CSS syntax, that's CSS. Okay, that this will allow the regular text as well as CSS syntax. Okay, then you close. I guess this is simple enough, right? You can just think of this like, okay, this is the only thing I'm at least, right? This is type. Text/CSS. Then you are good to go. This is internal. So on external is different. You want to get to external. Get to know. Right. So now let me quickly come to my body. And I have something like paragraph. Okay. Life is a product of non transferable. I have this paragraph. Then I also have something like heading 3. Okay, you know these are HTML, right? So you use CSS to style HTML. Do you understand? So I'm trying to get HTML ready, then we'll now style it for us to see the effects. Okay, so what's that? Push level to the left. So quickly go to our page internal. So you have something very ugly like this, right? The regular ugly stuff. Okay, so we want to begin by styling this. Okay, there we go. So to style this now, I want to style paragraph P. So I will call the name of the P on CSS, right? All I need to do is to say P, right? So when I say P, I'm calling this. Then instead of less than, what you have is curly brace, right? That's different. So instead of less than, this time around you have curly brace. Instead of greater than, all you have is closing of curly brace. Do you get that? I will try as much as possible to be relating it to HTML equivalent. So you just see things that have changed. Instead of equal sign, what you'll be having is this, right? Okay? So right now on this P, what do I want? I want a background color for this P. So I can say background. If I say background or background color, it will work. Do you get that? What you are having here, because when you are writing your code and you are correct, there's what we call IntelliSense, and that's exactly what is coming up. So if your code is correct, IntelliSense will be coming up with function. But if it is not correct, it's few. But if it's not correct, okay, those are HTML, we are on CSS now. But if it's not correct, it will not come up. PG color? No. PG color is from HTML. Right? So here background color, right, equals to, you know what we mean by equals to now? Color, right? So what color? Right? Maybe we want something like red. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Save. Let's check that. Can you see? So if you look at the entire thing, like, okay, this is only paragraph here. And I was instructed to go and do something to paragraph. Can you see it? So it doesn't touch this. That's why it's a program, it's a set of instructions to perform tasks. Do you understand? That's the definition of the program. So we are telling the program, we instruct the program to do something, and it's working on that. All right, so let's keep this. So in between open and close, whatever that we want to happen to that text, we'll be saying it. So if we need background text color now, we don't need to say text color. All we have to do is color. So when you say color in CSS, it means text, right? Then I think the best color on that should be white. Okay, do we get that two stuff first? Is that hard? Background color this, text color this, and we are applying it on paragraph. Okay, all right. You might feel like, oh, we don't want this background to be 100%. 100% of the screen is from the beginning to the end of the screen. We don't want it like that. Maybe we want it to cut, right? So we can also specify what? I'm waiting. The measurement. What have we been using for? Have we been using for measurement on our HTML? Anytime I want to measure something. No. What are the properties we have been using for measurement? That one is value, just measurement. Width. So the same thing is width. So the same thing is still applicable. Width, right? Because to what? So maybe I just look at this now. Okay, this will be 300. Okay, let's see, 400. Pixel. Most time we'll be using pixel here, right? Except if you want to fix your background, you might change it to percentage. I see. Do you understand? Semicolon, thank you for that, is to terminate. Just like it makes this one to different from this, to different from this. The last line of code to execute, I can decide not to terminate it. Maybe because there's nothing coming up again, right? Okay, but if I should terminate it as well, there is no harm in doing that. Okay, so it's to terminate. It's to terminate. So we have this now. You can also decide that no, we want this height to be much more than this, right? So we specify the height. We started CSS. Then can you see? Let me check if there's anything there. Others are lighted when I press enter. Can you see this now? Anybody that is sleeping, I will tell you to stand up. Okay, but if you look at this very well, like you don't like the way this text is too close to the border. There's no margin, there's nothing, right? You get that? There's no margin with this text. It's just close like that. Okay, let me add something else to that particular text so that it won't just be like that. Okay, I can break it. I'm on HTML page. I break it. I said set back okay. I also break it. Alright, I'm just trying to make it some text that are merged. Can you see? Right? So this field now, so we don't feel the way it is. So we can also come back to that text and specify that we want it to be centralized. Okay? So all we just have to do is text align. Okay? Text hyphen align. Do you notice something? Text what? Button. Remember text separation for link. Do you understand? Text align equals to center. Can you see it? Right? Center line equals to center, and it's okay. Then text transform. Equals to capitalized, okay, to make everything to be in capital letter. Sorry, that's to make everything to be in sentence case, okay, right? We also have capitalized. We also have uppercase. That's capital letter, right? You understand? We also have lower case. That's all small letter. Okay? You get that? All small letter, but for the purpose of this class, I'm going to leave it as sentence case, which is capitalized. Right?
All the things you
Yes.
are not
So all
you know you followed it, you are not followed.
I followed what? One paragraph.
Like you cover everything. Maybe it's not the whole sentence.
Okay, yes, thank you for that observation. So for this reason, we need to increase the size of this, right? Okay, do you understand? You are following. Okay, increase the size of this. So this is a box now. Then let's be picking it one by one. Let me work on this particular header now, right? Okay, for you to know the difference between both. So here now I can say H3. Is that not simple? And I begin to specify everything that I want to take effect on H3, just like the first one. So I decide to be doing this practically than story. Okay, thereby it makes us learn fast. Okay, and we get to see some practical stuff. Like the first time that we get this started, I opened some of those works for you. I see stuff like this, right? So with little we just did now, you are okay. It's alright, right? But what if you don't know? You don't know. It's not hard. Alright. So just think of equal sign to be column. Just think of your less than. Brace open, brace close. Right? So that's on now. So here now, here we go. I actually want to do something. I didn't remember to add a marking to this when we get started. Let me give this a marking. Sorry, not this one. That A3. Those scrolling stuff. Q. I'm supposed to have introduced this. I just remember that I didn't even mention anything about marking during our HTML class. Okay? In the video, okay, yeah, good. Alright? So as this marking like this, you can decide to talk to that particular place. Okay? Despite the fact that it's marking, you can decide to talk to anybody and say you want your color to be something like I don't know, 555. Okay. Okay. I'm actually looking for something like gold, not good. Okay. I have something like this. Then I can also decide to change width 300 pz, maintain this default height. Okay, can you see it? Maintain the default height. We are controlling it
Do this in a way that makes it start.
Is that yes? Then you can set float to right. You get that? Float to right, float to left. That's the default. You get that? You get it. Float to left, that is by default. That's a float to right. We can do the same thing like, okay, oh, I don't want this sidebar to be on the left, I want it to be on the right, so you can just float it, right? Okay. Then again, I'm still going to do another forms of marquee. The marquee that I have here, this is default marquee. Okay, the default marquee. We have behavior, so I can, the one that is not default, we can say direction equals to, I'm actually doing this inside it's not CSS, right? I only need CSS to start. So this is common thing that you do have. You see some new scrolling, right? So let me float it to the left back, then I'll do some justice. I want to be doing this practically, not, thank God this is video. Once you know left, there's also right. So I said by default it's left, either you specify or not. But the reason why I have to specify so that you know that, oh, I can also say to right, right? Good. Here now, still on this H3, where you H3 can have something like news update. Do you get it? So news update static. This is the news. Okay? You feel like, oh, this is moving too fast, right? You can control it with HTML, not CSS, right? Anything inside the body open and close, HTML. Anything that we do at the top, CSS. Do you understand? So don't get it, right? As come in. Anything between body open and close, body open here, body close, HTML. These are HTML documents, right? Anything between edge on this style to style are CSS, right? Okay, so like now I want to control that marquee, because it's not everybody that can see something very fast.
So any style you want to do to the body is within the head.
Yes, thank you. Scrolling, that is scroll, not scrolling. Scroll delay. The default is 100. Okay, so that default you have, so you can say 200. The higher the value, the lower it is. Do you understand? Then you can also decide, oh, there's some people that doesn't know how to read fast, but what you are trying to convey to them is your information, not just for you to. Okay, everybody can see now. And in fact,
It's in most of these studio now.
said,
Most of those we are signing up. Most of the studio house.
yes, you usually have stuff like this. Okay, then you can, I can decide to have a background, even though I can do the background color within this, but I just decide, okay, let's have it on our CSS, okay? Because this course is centered on CSS, not really, okay? So let's maximize this of our CSS. Okay, then let me use as image then. Background image, okay? So all I have is URL. Images slash, do you have anything like that? Let me check first. A.jpg. Okay, so I might need to change the color of this, right? I don't want to use white. You see the difference between how to bring in image on CSS and HTML, right? Background image, okay? URL, okay? Uniform resource locator, it's equals to inside open and close brackets resource, right? That's different, because most of your banner that are bringing it from CSS, this is the way you do all this stuff.
I thought background image is for the whole image.
It's in, you can see where we specify it. We are specifying it under the edge. So if I want to do background, here I can just say body. Anytime on CSS that you have something like this, body, you're referring to entire stuff. Okay, you get it? It's referring to entire page. So for example now, background color, or I can also say background. Then which color is that? Can you see? That's entire. So when I say body, so whatever that I want to be like my default, this is my default background color now. If I should specify the text, that will be the default text color. Do you understand? So the default text color, maybe I specify the default text color to be black. Okay, that is default text color, right? So anywhere that I didn't specify what I want to go there, to just automatically pick on the default, right? I'm still working on this. Yes, I want to change the color to white. Because that's good, it's not good here. Okay? So this is little stuff on internal CSS. Little. There's so much more.
Which same internal CSS?
Yes.
What can link?
Yes. So now this internal CSS, I'm now going to use this same stuff and apply it to how it's going to work on the external CSS. And you still find out that we have the same output. Okay? But the only stuff there is you need to be moving up and down like, oh, I'm in HTML and CSS, right? But that one, you just consider that everything here is CSS. So like I have something like this, okay, that says CSS. If you don't specify, once you say .css, that's all. Okay, so I can just come into my code here. I don't even need to copy the style. I don't also need to specify style since it's CSS. So I can just get all this. So I assume this is what I've written on CSS, right? So I don't need to say style, open and close. Okay, so I'm going to save this. I will save it with most of the industry standard name that we'll be having, right? So maybe I can call, let me call this one CSS. So I can also put this on another folder, right? And I can also leave it outside, doesn't matter, right? So most name will be having something like style, .css, layout, .css, general, .css, IE, .css. Okay, I'm saying all this because sometimes as time goes on, you need to want to do some research on your own on internet. So when you are listening to tutorial or are checking some of few other people's file, those are things they will be using. So I want you to get familiar with those stuff from now. Okay, you have this. Okay, so I save this one as style.css. Alright, so I will save this as, okay, save as, duplicate. Period. So instead of writing the whole thing from scratch again, external. Okay, so on external I don't need this. Right, so let's see what will happen. Can you see it? So all the CSS are not there because I removed it. CSS is on separate page, right, which is external. So we now want to link this to where the CSS is so that I can also inherit all those properties. Do you get that? So when you are writing your CSS, you just write everything on one page. This is two things that we just write about 19 lines, just little things. Okay, we have it on one page. All right, it's allowed. You might need to stand up. So here now, look at this, very very important. So in between edge, open and close, you specify where the CSS file is. Okay, how do you specify that? External, we have what we call link rel, link relative. Okay, equals to style sheet. Okay, type, remember the type is equal to what? Yeah, text slash CSS. Okay, after this particular one I will stop for you guys to practice. Okay, then what is the name of the file that we are about to link it to? It's not external, style.css. So I'll just say href. Okay, after the preference, is that right? Equals to the location css slash. Okay, if it's just outside, you don't need to say css slash i.css. Okay, you save it. So this is external link. Okay, look at this very well. This is how to link externally.
This type, which is text slash CSS, are there other types?
Said
Are there other types?
there are no other type. That the content of what this particular line is going to refer to, they are mixture of both English words, ordinary ABC, okay, and some syntax of CSS. Okay, they are not just only CSS. Can you see it? Something is happening. This color, do you know why? You know we have an image folder for this, so it's not seeing it. It can't locate it. So which simply means on this, if you want it to be able to see it as well, you might need to also link this. Let me see that emo folder. This is very good stuff to them. Very good stuff to them. So let's go back to where we have that. Where we have a background image here. You get that? So that's it. Should be also able to. Let me try this. Oops. Images. That for that stuff, A or C. Huh? No. On our CSS, background, images, A dot. So it's not actually inside something there. Where is it? Images. Why? What's going on here? All right. Images, whether, but it's meant to work. But I don't know what's actually going on there. But the link is missing. Do you understand? The link is missing. No, it's meant to work. This is inside a div, but I guess that's also supposed to work. I can't really. That's something like div. Division. This is what we are going to be using. Okay, while working, division. Division is just an alternative for table. Okay, instead of having table open and close, table open and close to arrange, you now have different division. Do you understand? So maybe I have something like that image now. But still yet. Still yet. This is meant to work. Okay, I will check that later. I don't want to add division here because I want it to be another class entirely so that it won't be complicated. Still today, not tomorrow.
Why do you put the link there?
Which link? CSS link?
No, for the video.
Oh, image. No. Let me text something. So quickly now, I'm going to give you like 15 minutes, right, to test some things. Okay. 15 minutes, at least to move around the internal, okay, and also test that same thing on external. Then you just do a kind of layout of banner, menu, content, sidebar, and footer, but we are not going to build into it. We'll build into it tomorrow, right? But we'll set the foundation ready. Then after this class, we are also free to do some other things if you are not missed. Okay?